So Sachin, how are you?
Sir, I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm good. So first of all, tell me something about you.
Sir, as you know, sir, my name is Sachin Mohan. I was born in Kanpur, but I was brought up in Lucknow, and I have lived most of my life in Lucknow only. And from Lucknow, I did my high school from Central Academy, and then I did intermediate from Aliganj Montessori School. Then I pursued my BTech from Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. And after pursuing, I have been preparing for the government examinations only.
Okay. So which exams you are targeting in these days, apart from
Sir,
IB?
basically, sir, SSC.
Let's just see. Okay. So how many attempts you have given?
Sir, in CGL, I have two attempts. First was unsuccessful, and the second, I was able to crack it, and I have my mains examinations on 28th of January.
Okay, very good. Now, have you heard about the cryptography? It is related to internet.
Sir, cryptography. Yes, sir, I've heard, but I am unable to recall it. It's something related to some encryption or what?
Yeah,
Sir,
definitely.
sir, sir, the information is encrypted to hide something like that.
Okay,
So currently I'm
you don't
unable.
know exactly about it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Have you come across the term VPN?
Yes, sir. Virtual private network.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
is it, or how we can
Sir,
create?
sir, it is a sir. It is sir. This network is to ensure the privacy of a user. When if you are provided the network outside, like in the railways, so it is very dangerous to use your privacy at that time. There you can use the virtual private network, or instead out of all that you can use in your home also. So it allows you to it helps you to maintain your privacy by making some another private IP address, internet protocol address.
Okay. Do you know what is the length of an IP address?
No, sir, sorry, sir. uh, I
Okay,
don't know.
no problem. Now tell me, have you come across the term Great Depression? It was
Yes,
actually
sir.
happened during our
Yes, sir.
history. So what was
Yes,
that?
sir.
Or
Sir,
okay,
after the World War, after the First World War, there in 1929, I guess. Yes, sir, in 1929, in the US. So the main reason behind this Great Depression was the collapse of the stock markets, and it has created a havoc in that state, because the people were ready to suicide. They were basically falling from the buildings. The situation was so worse at that time. No money was there. Everybody was bankrupt. So the situation was totally uncontrollable there.
okay. So what do you think? India has also suffered any kind of such type of emergency?
Yes, sir. In 1990, I think in 1991, before the LPG, liberalization, privatization, and globalization, this was the this was enacted when our foreign exchange was left only for 1 day, I think. Yes, sir. Then Prime Minister, and then sorry, sorry, sir, foreign, that Manmohan Singh was there, finance secretary, finance minister, sir. He introduced this bill. Not bill, sir. This is a kind of a you can say
It is a
a
policy.
policy. Yes, sir. It is a policy in which he opened the economy of the India globally. That helped us to retain the economy
Okay, very good.
and to
Uh,
survive that period.
okay. Are you aware of what was the recent what's the privacy issue?
Yes, sir.
Actually, it
They
was privacy policy, right? It was a new privacy policy. There was a lot of issues about it. So, what was the issue with respect to that, or what we needs in our country to strengthen any kind of law to protect our security of our citizens?
Sir, WhatsApp privacy, sir, I'm aware that in 2018 data protection bill have came in which there is a provision of the right to be forgotten. And also, sir, WhatsApp has updated his new privacy policy, under which it is not allowing the any user's identity for the privacy of that particular user. But the government is saying that they need to get the information regarding any internal as well as the external security. So this is the conflict between the WhatsApp and the government.
Okay, so what was the outcome of it after government intervention?
Sir, outcome, I think, sir, it has already been a bone of contention between them, and I'm not aware about the outcome. I think in no outcome they have came out. They have come out with no outcome.
Okay, no problem. Are you aware of the sources of energy in India? What are the various sources of energy, and which is the most used, one of the most used sources of energy in India?
So the most used energy in India is from the coal only.
Okay.
That's why, sir, India is the largest producer of the, not largest, it's third largest after US, China. They claim that India is producing more carbon sink than US and China, but it is not the truth.
Apart from fossil fuel, if we talk about apart from fossil fuel, what is the second largest sources of energy in India that actually we utilize?
Second largest, I think, sir, hydroelectric power that comes from the dams only.
Okay.
I guess, sir.
Okay, so what other sources can be, or what we need to do in this regard to make ourselves energy sufficient?
So we need to completely, not completely, I think 60 to 70% we should work on the solar energy, because it is very beneficial and there is no harm after like if you use the fossil fuels, the carbon emission will be harming our atmosphere, our environment, ultimately leading to some disasters, natural disasters. So the best use, I can say, that is of the solar energy. And it is implementing also. India has built several, I think in the Telangana region or somewhere, they have built some solar parks also. And India is, using its efficiency very largely, especially in the Gurugram area. We have the solar alliance also, sir.
Okay, very good. Are you aware of where a metro is being built, which is based on a rubber tire in India?
In India, sir?
Yeah.
Rubber tires, sir? Sir, I don't know, sir. If I am allowed to make a guess, I think it's in Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Actually, it is in Nasik.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Nasik, sir.
Okay, good. Now, what do you think? What are the major function of CBI in India? How it protects, how it works for the development of our country?
CBI stands for the Central Bureau of Investigation. It is the central agency of the India. It comes under the central government, and sir, its work is to investigate the big killings. You can say the murder trials is being done by the CBI only when the issue is very complex. Then the case is being transferred to the CBI. If it is not it cannot be can be done by the CID or some other agencies. Finally, it is being transferred to the CBI.
Okay. For suppose there is any issue with respect to money laundering, right? Then ED is also involved in that case, and CBI is also involved. So who has the priority to order the second organization? मतलब who will take
enforcement
the
directorate.
orders, who will follow the orders of which organization in this case?
So money laundering, so enforcement directorate is the agency for the money laundering and black money. This economic crimes is being dealt by the ED only. Basically, there are two laws which is being enforced by this agency, that is FEMA, and other is PMLA. FEMA stands
Okay.
for Foreign
CBI
Exchange.
can also investigate these type of cases, right? Economic crimes are also covered by CBI, right? So if both the
Okay.
agencies are involved, then who will take the lead?
But it depends what kind of a to where they have reached. If the issue is regarding the money laundering, I think that will be governed by the ED only. If it involves any kind of a uh, casualty, I think then it will go to CBI.
Okay. Okay. Are you not sure about your answer, or
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir. I'm a little confusion about this
okay,
issue.
okay, no problem. Just remember, when any economic crime happens, the apex agency responsible for it is ED, right? ED is the apex agency. CBI can also investigate the matters based on Supreme Court. If Supreme Court says to enter about it, then CBI can enter. But if both are working on the case, then ED will lead, or ED can direct the CBI about the cases, or it can direct the CBI, right? Means lead role will be played by ED. Okay, in these cases, or if both the organization are there. Okay, what do you think? What the term implies? Biomagnification.
Biomagnification. Again, biomagnification, I think, sir, that can be related to the microorganisms, to study about the microorganisms, sir.
Not
detailed
exactly about that.
Detailed analysis of
not
sir, I don't know, sir.
Are you not about exactly aware of that term, right?
Yes, sir, I'm not exactly aware.
Okay, okay. Do you know what was the Kyoto Protocol, or when it was enacted?
Yes, sir, Kyoto Protocol. Sir, I have heard it is regarding the some pollution related issue. I have learned, but
Okay, it was about greenhouse gases emission.
Yes, sir, greenhouse gases, sir. Greenhouse gases. Basically, it is a city in the Japan that led to that whole event.
Okay,
it ensures about the global emission of the greenhouse gases to control it globally.
Okay. Are you aware of what was the Bhopal gas tragedy?
Yes, sir.
So what was that, or what happened to that incident? Why it was happened?
Sir, it was the outcome of some the disaster came out of the event that there was a very the tankers have the valves which were not serviced at all, that were very
okay, which gas was released in that incident?
Isocyanate, sir.
Okay. What do you think? What are your key strength and weakness that will hamper in this organization?
That will hamper, sir. I can say that I am a introvert kind of a person. Whenever I meet a person, I need to I need to make a bond with him slowly and steadily. Then I can be assured that he is my friend. So initially I am an introvert, but afterwards, when I am comfortable with him or her, then I am comfortable. And secondly, sir, I can say that I am a little foodie kind of a person. So I have gained some weight, which I am working on it. That can be hamper in my organization.
Okay.
And other things are there is only these two are the things. And the third thing I can say that I used to go to the bed very late, but I have improved it, and now I sleep before 12 a.m. and I wake up at around 6 or 7 a.m.
ओके,
Still, I
सो
am improving on it.
इसके साथ ही साथ फ्रेंड्स आप इस बुक को ले सकते हो जो आप सभी के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी, स्पेशली इंटरव्यू के लिए आपके। इसमें आपको 100+ इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल जाएंगे जिनको आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, जो कि आपके एग्जाम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पूछे जाने के चांसेस है। आपके इंटरव्यू में मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं। ऐसे सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आपको एक सीरीज मिल जाएगी क्वेश्चन की। साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे आपको करंट और सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स भी मिलेंगे इसी बुक में। आपको अलग से कुछ प्रिपेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सारे जितने भी रिसेंट करंट एंड सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड इश्यूज है वो सारे के सारे इस बुक में कवर किए गए हैं। साथ ही साथ जो है आपको ये लोएस्ट कॉस्ट में आपको ये बुक मिल जाएगी। एडिशनल आपको 30% डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा। तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दोस्तों लिंक दिया गया है, वहां से जाके आप इस बुक को ले सकते हो और अपनी प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर तरीके से कर सकते हो। राइट फ्रेंड्स।